hot. Good morning from the big island of Hawaii. I just saw a couple geckos. They are adorable. I had a really great sleep on this big comfy bed. There's lots of frog sounds and it started raining and you could really hear everything. I thought that was really cool. I just feel like I'm actually in nature. So today the plan is to go to the Hawaii National Volcanoes Park. I think I got those words in the right order. It's supposed to have some cool trails, some cool things to see. It's supposed to be one of the most incredible things to do here, so I am very excited for it. The Kilauea Caldera right now, and we're looking at steam vents, which are basically holes in the earth. There is hot magma hundreds of meters deep in the earth, and this rainwater, it trickles down, and then the hot rock actually turns it into steam, and so it blows back up. Oh, it's so windy. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Back we go. Oh wow. Ooh, that's hot. So we're just at the steam vents. So now we're gonna make our way all the way over and under here to the Kilauea Iki Crater. I cannot pronounce this. So I'm on the Kilauea Iki trail. I'm about maybe 30-40 minutes in, and it's all downhill and it's a little bit tricky, lots of steps. It's 400 feet descent. That means it's gonna be 400 feet ascent. So it's so nice and easy going down, but I'm pretty sure it'll be hard going back up. Back in the day. I think we're almost there. Oh wow. Go. Back in the day. The floor goes on for quite a bit. I think I've gotten through maybe 70% of it, and here it's starting to get like really bumpy. So let's see how far we can go. Super rocky now. Kind of looks like the trail stops about here. There's no one else here. So I think this is a good side as any to head back now. All right. Okay, yeah. Climbing back is hard. So today we're going to the national park, the Hawaii National. Oh my god, hi Mr. Gecko. Oh, there's two of you. Are you guys friends? You guys just hang out at this tent. This fan. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a lot of dead, smushed bugs.